you pretty much just pull the bulb out and then you push the new one in. I'm just making another quick video. I'm changing the rear license plate lights on my girlfriend's Subaru Forester. It's a 2004. So let's get into that. It'll be a really short video. Alright, so here's her 2004 Subaru Forester. Here's the new bulb that I put in. It's a white LED. Here's the old one, which is a yellow halogen bulb, which you can tell this one looks much nicer and newer, makes the car look newer. This one looks like crap. So these are just pushed up in here like this. You just get a Phillips head screwdriver, untwist both those like I just did. Then you're able to pull this out, and once you pull this piece off of here, then you can just replace the bulb. Alright, so I got the other rubber little plastic cover seal off. It's pretty easy. You just get a flathead screwdriver and you just pry it in between it and you pull them apart. These are dirty too, so I'm going to clean them with just like some of these. I might use an alcohol prep pad actually instead, but I'll use something just to clean it so it looks nicer. But once you've changed the bulb, I've just got these. It requires a T10 bulb. There's the stock one. These are the aftermarket LEDs. This is girlfriend Iris. Alright, well anyways, I'm inside now because I finished, but after you pull the bulb out, you literally just pull it out, like since it's a T10 bulb, they don't have any clips or anything. And then after you do that, you just push the new one in. If it doesn't work after you've tested it, like after you turn the lights on, then you just take it out, flip it, and then put it in the other direction, and then that just corrects the circuit, because you got to make sure it's in the right way, otherwise it's not going to light up, because there's the ground and positive. And then you put the plastic clips back on, put the screws in, and then you're done, and then you've got your new bulbs in.